Free bootstrap. How do you find that this is CC? I mean the license when they mentioned it free. Uh, okay, okay, okay. So okay. So here did they mention okay, copyrights made by color name, that is fine. So maybe in downloads, did they mention? Okay. CC color lib CC by 3.0. I'm not sure what that term. So MIT license we need to get, right? MIT. MIT stands for? Mhm. Okay, let me see admin LTE template, which is very famous. Free bootstrap. I got you. Yeah. So here anyway we can use it, but yeah, to let everybody know, right, what that license is. Even I'm using since long, as by thinking it as a free, even for my for our portal also. If you see, right, the same template I'm using, video portal. Yeah, I'm planning to put it with my custom domains there. That means that is a production, right? So okay, these are not the premium, which is free admin dashboard template. Why taking? How do I know? This they mentioned it as free. You can see, right? Yeah. Okay, great. A short and simple permissive license with the conditions only requiring preservation of copyright. Permissions, commercial usage, modifications, distribution, private use. Limitations, liability and warranty. Okay, they are not liable for anything, and they are not, giving any assurance or security flaws. That all we should worry about. License and copyright. Okay, so maybe they will have their own copyrights, but we can use this for commercial. Okay, that is new thing that I understand. Okay, so whichever color leaf template we used, this is a CC license, not for production. Whereas MIT can be used for product with these limitations. Good. Okay, so maybe yeah, you can use this admin LTE template if you are really interested. Same thing, download it and do the edits and use it. They give a lot of templates here for data tables, everything they give in template here. If you have menu, left side menu with the main element and sub elements if you want, and if you need any data tables, the data tables also given with multiple styles. And for presentations, if you want to use charts JS also given. Right? Just you need to bring your data and you can design these graphs as well. Same graphs you can show it to you. Last project I used actually pie charts, donut charts, and different layouts also with fixed sidebar with the fixed footer also. You can see here we have footer without footer. Okay, use any template uh, as your wish. Okay, but the thing that I learned is this is a license not for the production. As this is a simple layout, right? I thought of use it, but yeah, maybe you can find MIT license for templates. Okay, as we are not using it for production anyway. Yeah, thanks again. Yeah, yesterday we created this layout for front end, right? Nikhil, you are from front end background or? Okay, so you have to diagram. Okay, and yeah. So here on this template we need to work. This is front end. Just imagine this is your front end application. Wherever I deploy this front end, right? I can easily deploy this application also. If you want to see, okay, simple HTML deployment, you can use Git pages and you can deploy this. Okay, we will do that after this integration, right? Code integration is done. We do that exercise also. For now, we created one link here, manager link. The remaining links you can remove. This is purely for admin, okay? So you may go to edit and all other links which you don't want to use, you can comment it. Okay. And here in this section also, you have some text content. You may comment it, or else you can put something. Admin reports, you may show it in dashboard directly. So any reports if you want to see. And in manager also, let me comment the same things. This is not the right approach, if you ask me. But as we have limitation, right? More focus is on back end. I don't want to create, again a front end framework here with common headers, footers, like an Angular application. We can see one use case at least. Okay. Once done with all these, manage. So maybe on dashboard you can show the reports. When admin wants to create new users, go to managers link and do this, managers creation, updation, deletion part here. Now first, when I click on this link, on page loading, right? On page loading, some data populating here directly. So first we will work on this data. Do we have any method to fetch complete data from your backend? Means we have one method which will load data from backend. So let me run that backend method first. No, no, that is no, yeah, that is not configured. We will go there. Even we need to put the gateway also, right? So yeah, still we are not there. Even I don't think this application will respond if I deploy it in a different server. Definitely costs need to be configured. Okay, yeah, we will see that. First, let us encounter the problem, then we will show the solution. Okay. So let me run this config server and followed by your admin service. Oh, I lost this code. It's okay. Let me re-import it. Admin service. How did I lost it? Okay, let me see. Huh? Dealer, yeah? It is. Okay. Dealer, huh? Dealer. This one. Okay. Okay. Admin service. Actually, today I did complete cleanup. Yeah, here we have code. Let me re-import it, okay? Somehow it is deleted. Let me import it back. Manual project. No, that again I created when you asked to show step by step, right? We created it again. But complete implementation I have here. Did I copied all that methods here? Did we do that? No, no. We have only one method. Yeah, we have only one method. Save only. All other methods here we have. I think I lost it. Let me unzip and add this. It's okay. I lost it. We can write methods, okay? Mm, I don't think I have that backup. Recycle bin also, I don't have. It's okay. Shall we write the remaining methods? We have post mapping and we need let us write one get mapping method, okay? Get mapping to get all the records. Get mapping. So the API response code I want to send 200, which means okay. And here find or get all employees, get all managers. Here create manager. So to get all managers, I didn't require any input, and the response is list of manager outputs I can send. List of manager. Sorry, what we are sending to front end, not entity. We are sending details. Okay. So here I should call service manager service dot. We have only one method. Find all managers we don't have. So let's create one method. Find all managers, and the response I'm expecting from there is a DTO. List of DTOs expecting, right? It is asking to create that method. Let's create it. How do I get list of manager DTOs? First, I need to get manager repository dot find all. it will return as a list of manager objects. List of manager objects you will be getting here. So from here you need to convert it into DT. The traditional approach, right? If you want to iterate via this, or you can use streams, getting manager object and convert it into DT. So map to DTO to entity we have. Let's create one more method. Map entity to DTO. Now I got data in the form of entity to DTO conversion I need to do. So in a reverse way, you need to do that. DTO dot set name and get from entity. Get data from entity, set it into DTO because that is the only object that I need to send to the front end. Okay. So call this method and get a DTO object here. Basically list of DTOs we need to return back. So here in each iteration, I need one DTO. Into this DTO, I need to pass this data. So call map entity to DTO. You will be getting a DTO object. Add that into this list. Finally, return it. So now find all managers will be written in list. So here finally you need to return list of response entities. HTTP status is loading. 200. That's it. For time being, I want to read these all records. Okay, you can run this ms admin. Once it starts, open that with the swagger. Localhost. Okay, so get all method is there. Just run and check. Yeah, I am getting this data. Fine. Now we have find all method. The URL is the URL for this is localhost colon 9090 slash API slash v1 slash manager. Okay. Now the same URL I can use it in front end in this manager, right? See where actually the data is loading. Name, email address, phone, and actions given. So we have multiple records. Yeah, still I don't want to accommodate them here. Just name, email address only if I want to show them here. See, this table body is having static data. Multiple TRs we have here with edit and delete buttons. What I will do, I will keep only one TR. Remaining TRs I will remove. till here. Yeah. So I have one TR, that too, this is static. Now I need to show here multiple records. If I have two records, when I get right, if I get two records, two I should show. When I get three, three I should be able to show. If I have multiple records, all the records I should be able to show it in UI. So let's create one more record. Finally, I got the response. What is his ID? 2. So now I have multiple records. I should be able to fetch these two records and show it in the UI. In UI, I just want to show name, email address, and phone of these two users. If I have 10, 10, 20, 20. Dynamically, whatever number of records I have in the backend, right, I should be able to render them here. So for that, what you can do, you may put one ID here, tbody, and we will append this into this table body. When I should append it on page loading. See, is there any function that already implemented on document ready? I need a script. On document ready, there are multiple functions. So I'll put one function here, my function also. Or you can write separately and call it here. Or you can have a separate function. Function load table. What is it? Okay. Now here you can have your Ajax call. We will put one Ajax call to get the data and render it. And you can call this function here on load startup. Okay. Maybe here you can call load table. So on document ready, it will execute this function and whatever code you have here, that will be running. So you can see simple Ajax call. So we can construct a data and we can send it. Or else let me use my code. Yes. Okay, I must have some Ajax code here for post, right? Yeah. Where is it? That is for post and get call. Yeah, here you go. Let me add this. So I'm doing a get call to my application. So here put your port number 9090 and what is your URL. Here you can see localhost 9090 slash API slash v1 slash manage. That you can get it from Swagger. You need not to ask your developer. So you can ask Swagger. From Swagger you can get the URL. This is for development. Maybe when you move your code right from UI to next level SIT, these URLs will get changed. So usually in Angular we will maintain environment files like profiles, right? That we can maintain. Somehow here also you need to manage that. Now for local I have this URL data JSON catching false response. So I'll be getting response here, just printing alerts to see. And to the table body I need to append multiple records. So we have already table body here, right? So I have table body. Just a minute. Okay. This table I need to construct and add it to my Ajax call. Okay. So let me add that. And yeah. So first TD is having this checkbox as it is. You can put it. Most difficult thing, right? Working UI carefully we should. If it is Angular, we don't have this much struggle, but still manipulating DOM and appending data, deleting data, quite interesting at the same time tough. Yes. So first to TD added. For second TD we need to get name, then email, address, phone number for next four TDs. So just imagine that your DTO object you are getting here. This response is your DTO object, array of DTO objects. I'm iterating that array here, simple like Java iteration, right? For loop I'm iterating. So from this list, I'll be getting response. So passing each index and getting the object. So here, what I can able to print is manager data. Manager DTO data you can print there. So the manager name, email address, you may print it. So here is the second one. This is the name, and the next one is email. We have same properties, right? Name, email, address, and we have phone number. Thus, four columns are enough for me, and you can take this code out. And let me replace it with the remaining columns. So, yeah, till here we copied. Only last two is required. Just remove it, add it. Next. Oh, this I don't have. Let's remove it. Now we have success function getting here data and trying to append into our table body. Okay. So what is exact table body ID? T body. So calling ID and calling append function and appending it. And now this code is capable to fetch any records and append it. Now let's run this code. So let me refresh this page. No data appending, no network calls, well, no errors. Is it making a call? I doubt. Actually, we are not calling it. Now refresh. At least I got an error. Ajax is not a function. Let me see. Ajax. Yeah, yeah. This is the CDN. Correct. Let me add this CDN, which is a library like your Java import, right? You need to import this library here. Okay, you guys can see it. Node jQuery library here. So let me add it. It is saying Ajax function is not available. We need to import it via CDN. We are importing it. Now Ajax function should be available. I think it is in cache. Changes may not. Okay. Mm, okay. But will it execute? Because here I have this function. The function portion is there above. Okay, let's see. The order also important, right? Yeah. Maybe the below scripts must be overriding it. Now something a new error. See, this is what you are asking, right? Cause error. Access control allow origin. It is not allowing you to make a call. Okay. So directly this URL is not allowing to make call from our application to destination application. So for this we need to enable cause. In this controller we need to put cause cross origin. So here let's allow any request. Allow credentials, max age, origin patterns, value. So crash origin, let's see. So if I put star, will this allow me to make a call? No, not. Ah, that is restarted. That is restarted. Let's see. Origin star you can mention. When we actually deploy it, right, we put the conditions here. Interestingly, what you can do, you can put your API gateway only as a allowed crash origin. So nobody will call your application except your API gateway, so that you can get control over your application. Still, yeah, yeah. This is the URL, right? HTTP colon localhost 9090 API slash v1 slash manager. In code also we have same HTTP manager. An extra slash was there that I removed. I don't think that is the problem. That is the problem actually. I got the data. Object, one record I got Rajesh, second record Naveen, and finally, yes, I can able to show the data. So let's add more records now. Let's add more records. Uh, Something I used software. Let me give it for public access. Okay. What is that software, Rajesh? Okay. NGR, NG, right? Where did I copy? Softwares. I'll give access to you also, okay? So that parallel we all can enter data. Desktop softwares, NG rock, NG rock. Where is it? To give you access, my local access, you can access this application remotely. This must be useful, okay? Really interesting also. You can make your computer as a server. It's a simple software. Somewhere, I'll download it. It's a small software. You guys also can download NG. Okay, let me share this URL with you and let me put it in document. To share application access to public from local machine. Use NG. I need this download for Windows. Download it. Yes, run it. Yeah. So, do you remember command ngrok something http? We need to give our local host link with the port number. Let me create local host colon our application running on 9090. Okay. What? It will do if I run that our local host URL here, right? Run it. Okay. Once done with that, you got one link. See, this is public URL. This is public URL for your local host. Now let's check with this. We have our Swagger here. Let me put this URL slash Swagger UI. It will ask you to visit site. Uh, Something wrong, right? Let me see. Find it in all documents. Nowhere else. N0, N0. Control F, NG. Drop. I need command HTTP port number. Okay, HTTP, host header, localhost and port number. Okay, localhost and port number is 9090. And of course, it got the request also. Let's close it. Copy this, load balance. 5 pass this visit. Yeah, you people can check it here. Okay, I'm sharing this link through the chat. Okay, can you open this, Nikhil? The link. Share your screen. Yeah, can you share your screen? I'll give control. So you have access. Yeah, maybe it is taking time. Did it made any call? Invalid characters. What is that? Okay. Others, can you try? What about others? Okay. Can you share the party? Maybe Nikhil, maybe try it with the incognito window or other. Yeah, yeah. So, yeah, maybe it is not allowed. It is blocking. Can you give me back post privilege? Yeah, yeah. And make me host. Just go to my name from options, right? Make host. Three dots. Do you see any option? On my name. On my name, when you click right, three dots. No, we can't see your Zoom, right? Yeah. Let me send a screenshot. Yeah. Okay. Now I got the control. No, you went remote control, not remote control. Make me host. Do you have host option? Make make him presenter or host. Uh, Not control. I need presenter access. So if I see on three dots when you click right, you should be able to see left side people list. First stop your screen sharing and check it. Okay. Yeah, thank you. So others must inserted data, right? So let me see. I got multiple calls, 200 success response given to them. Let me see their data here. This is our manager file, right? Let's reload it. Only two reports still. Your data not inserted. Have you tried Patil? Anyone else? Have you tried inserting data? Go to here, click on try it out. Which one? Post one. Click on try it and enter some data here. Fail to fetch. Let me see. Execute cause network failure. URL scheme must be HTTP or HTTPS cause request. Okay. Mhm. Okay. So I understand. So this must be this configuration stuff, right? We use this HTTP. Maybe we need to enable both. Okay, I will see that. Okay, but it's okay. For now, you are getting access, right? You may be unable to read or post the data because of costs. They are not allowing you. Mm, okay, at least fine. From this, yeah. Okay. So basically, nothing, right? I mean, front end code, I have not implemented anything, just taken one library. As per my choice, removed all the extra URLs which I have here. And for this data tables also, again, I picked one more library. Okay. So I just copied their code. In their library, they have given option to copy their code, right? I just copied that code and pasted it in the body section, and as well as their links also. Whatever CDNs they are using, they suggested me to copy here. So I copied their CDNs and their CSS style also. The given styles, everything I copied, and the data table they given in the body, I copied their table as well. Yeah, I copied their table as well. So static data we were able to see before. Static data table with multiple records. So what I did, I keep the table header as it is, name, email address header, and deleted the complete body data, static data, which I copied earlier. So there is no static data now here. Instead of static data, what I have done, instead of it, I returned one Ajax function here and make it call to my localhost. And when I make a call, what it is returning list of manager DTOs. So just getting list of DTOs here and iterating it. In the form of JSON, I will get data here. I'm iterating through JSON and getting my data here. In zeroth index, I will get first record. In first index, I will get second record. Like that, it will do multiple iterations based on your records count and appending data here. I am trying to appending it to table body. One dynamic TRTTs I am generating here, and that data I am appending it. In this dynamic TRTT, my data is concatenated, which is getting in the response. So that TRs you are able to see here. These are the dynamic TRs which are generated. Okay, based on number of records which you have, right? This will be generated. This records. So if I insert one more record here, no from host 9090, Add data you want to send. Why so? Don't enter zero then. In front end, do the validations before sending it and pass the right data. Or else apply validations in the back end. Okay? You can apply validation. Okay. Maybe before proceeding, right? Apply at the rate validation methods we have, right? You can apply them and you can get the control over the data. Okay. So the data got inserted. Now pre-records it is fetching and showing. Okay. Same way for this add use case also we can add the code. So maybe here multiple fields required: name, email address, phone, PIN, division. What are all we sending in Swagger, right? All these fields we can have here, and we can click on add. On add, already we have function here. In that function, on add table, right? I don't see any function. Okay, we will write one function. On click add button, right? We will do. Yeah, here is your button. Nothing. Which ad I am checking? Let's inspect and see. Input button success, simple ad. Okay, I hope that is the button, but I'm thinking fields after entering how automatically close. This is the button. Are there any buttons? This is edit model. Maybe this one only add model, right? Yeah, this is the add model. So on click of this button, right? We can have code on this button click. We can write one more call for post here. Okay, one more Ajax call we put so that that will post the data also. Okay, so that we do tomorrow. Okay, this add operation and okay, we'll do add and get. I think those two are enough, and we will go to the next use case. Okay, I'll give this code to you. People can work on edit, delete options. Okay, tomorrow we will see uh, gateway concept. Okay, we are getting cars issue, right? How to control it, and where actually you need to enable your application and how to get cars control, right? We will see that. Via gateway, we will make the same calls instead of making them directly to your application, right? Usually nobody will share their post URL directly. Admin service we are running here, as it is in local, I could able to access it, but for production, imagine, right, if they share direct URL, people can access and load the unwanted data. Anybody can call and post the data. So usually we should not consume direct URLs. Though you try to inject some data also, they don't allow. Swagger will be disabled, and as well as cross origins will not allow you. Only if I allow here my gateway application, right? Gateway only can call your app. And your front end need to call gateway. We will discuss that architecture and see that example tomorrow. Okay? I think that's it. This engine of I will test, okay? I will check it why it is not doing. Yeah, that's it.